In your youth, gaining practical work experience not only provide valuable insight into various fields, but also allow you to earn while learning. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Korianne, and today we are tackling a pivotal topic that shapes the trajectory of your financial future. What to do with your money in your 20s. Whether you are just starting in your career or navigating the complexity of early adulthood, this video is tailored to provide you with actionable insights. If you are ready to build a strong financial foundations, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more valuable content. So now, let's dive right in. These are the 9 financial strategies to implement in your 20s for a path to financial prosperity. Number 1, embrace a lifestyle below your means. Living below your means isn't about depriving yourself, but adopting conscious spending habits. Reflecting on my own experience, I recall opting for minimalist lifestyle in my apartment. Not only was it easier to move between jobs, but companies was also willing to cover low fee for my relocations. Despite having good credit and the means to afford a nicer car, I chose to drive the same car for many years. The lesson here is clear. Buying things you don't genuinely need is financial drain. When making purchases decisions, ensure there is a legitimate need rather than a mere want. Remember, trying to impress others is often fertile, because in reality, people genuinely don't care about your possessions. While driving a nice car is appealing, financing it through credit warrants careful considerations. Debts can become burdensome, causing stress as you work tirelessly to pay them off. Number 2, steer clear of consumer debts. Consumer debts can become a significant burden due to the high interest rate attached to credit cards. As we discussed in the last week video, typically reaching around 20%. It's essential to recognize that banks have the potential to double their earnings from your outstanding balance approximately every 3.5 years. Avoid making credit-based purchases when you know they aren't necessary. Number 3, attain employment stability. Whether a part-time or full-time, securing employment lays the foundation for financial stability, enable you to meet your basic needs. In your youth, gaining practical work experience not only provide valuable insight into various fields, but also allow you to earn while learning. I strongly advocate for securing employment. Working not only provides financial independence, but also instills a deep understanding of value of your time when spending money. Reflect on my own experience. Even a seemingly simple purchase like a new chair for my desk while I was in college prompted contemplations on hours I had dedicated to work to afford it. Number 4, building credits wisely. It's not just about having a credit card, it's about using it strategically to establish a positive credit history. This, in turn, opens doors for leveraging good debts to build assets in the future. When you are young, you have many years ahead to use good debt to build wealth, so having a good credit history will save hundreds of thousands on interest over your lifetime. Even when you have a part-time job, you can apply for a low balance limit credit card, use it to pay for your gas, or then pay it off at the end of each month. This is how you can establish an excellent credit history. Number 5, minimize educational debt. Consciously management of your educational debt is pivotal in preventing future financial strain. Considering selecting a college offering the same degree with lower tuition fees, I have witnessed friends graduating from the renowned institutions with significant student debts. some taking over a decade to repay. In my journey, I opted for a debt-free approach by working through 3 different jobs during college. While it wasn't easy and involved sacrifice, the absence of student debts allowed me to graduate with 2 degrees without the burden of a prolonging repayment period. The value of investing in my financial future far outweighed the potential challenges of student debts. Number 6. Strategic budgeting for financial efficiency. A critical aspect of achieving financial success is gaining the comprehensive understanding of your expenditures. The creations and adherence to a budget empower you to make well-informed financial decisions. In my 20s, I meticulously track my income and expenses, demonstrating discipline in savings. Especially, I saved $6,600 annually on rent and food. Adopting a mindful approach, I prepare 3 to 5 home-cooked meals weekly, reducing my monthly grocery bill down to $300 and sharing with my older sister, resulting in the annual saving of $3,600 each. Further optimizing my financial strategy, we share an apartment, contributing an additional $3,000 per year in savings. For those in their 20s without a partner, consider room sharing with a friend to save money. Trimming expenses on dining out can yield substantial monthly savings. However, occasionally, indulgence in a nice dinner with friends is a rewarding celebration of prudent spending habits that would allow you to savor life's pleasures while maintaining a financial efficiency. Number 7, build financial skill sets. Especially in investing, learning the ropes of investing can be a game changer, setting you up for a long-term financial growth. While saving is crucial, honing investment skills is equally vital to capitalize on compound interest over the long term. Consider dedicating your spare time to taking classes, learning, and practicing these investment skills to witness tangible results. For instance, familiarize yourself with Roth IRA account and 401k. Understanding the benefits of this account offer for your future. Number 8, retirement account planning. You need to put aside money for retirement account, whether it's a Roth IRA account, 401k, traditional IRA, HSA account. Preparing for retirement early is a smart move. You have so much time ahead of you to 10x your money earnings by the time you reach your retirement age. Each of these accounts has maximum limits that you can put in annually. Here is the limit for 2024 for a single person. Roth IRA, you can put away $7,000. It's a post-tax money, and all the money in there is grow tax-free. The 401k, you can have $23,000. The IRA, you can have up to $7,000. The HSA, about $4,150. Well, when you're young, your income is not high yet, so you can may qualify for this account. Number 9, learn about entrepreneurship. Never stop learning. Acquiring new skills continuously enhances your earning potential and opens opportunities for career and financial growth. I feel regret not having the opportunity to dive into entrepreneurship during my college years. Initiating my own company at 27 felt like I was entering the game later than I wished. But I took the leap because working for others left me feeling unrestricted. Working for someone else always imposed limits on what I could and I couldn't achieve. While entrepreneurship presents its challenges, it also brings tremendous growth and rewards. The journey may be demanding, but the potential for personal and professional development is unparalleled. There you have it. Thank you for joining me today. If you gain value from this video, don't forget to give it a thumb up and consider subscribing to support the growth of our community. Remember, your financial journey is uniquely yours, and by sharing your experiences, we can learn and grow together. And I look forward reading your comments below. What insights did you gain from this video, and what tips do you have for others navigating their financial journey in their 20s? Share your thoughts below. Let's build a community that thrives on financial success. Until next time, stay financially savvy. Ciao.